Hello all, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to see a cake topper tutorial. So as you have seen, this is the cake topper I have done for my son's birthday. So it's very easy to make and it costs very less when compared to buying it online or offline. So it will cost around 200 to 300 bucks when you get it outside. When you're doing it, it's going to be just 20 rupees. So before that, please click the subscribe button and hit the bell icon and choose all option for more and more videos. Now let's start. What are the requirements for the to do this? So the first one is that you need some cardboard boxes, soft cardboard boxes. The best thing is that cake boxes. So when you get the cake cartons, that will be very ideal for this, or you can use any cartons. Next is a glue gun, which is a must to hold the items clearly. Next is scissors. Just take two scissors, one is a bigger one and one more is a smaller one. Next is squares. This is bamboo squares. You'll get it online and offline very easily. Next, Fevicol. And now let's start the video. So first step is taking the printouts. So choose the theme for which you want the cake toppers to be. Here I've chosen Jake and the Neverland Pirates. So I'm just taking all the printouts of the characters in the cartoon. So here I've taken nearly 5 to 6 characters and I'm going to take a printout of the same. It should be a color printout, and what you have to do is just cut the pieces into pieces, single pieces. That will be very easy. And one more thing to note here is the size of the character. So when you're taking a printout, it should be around maybe 1 to 2 inches, not more than that, and it can be it can go along with your cake. So do not take a very big printout or very small, do it correctly. So that is the one thing you have to keep in mind. Next is pasting printout in the sheets. Once the printout is taken, what you're going to do is going to paste the stickers into this carton boxes. As I mentioned, please be very careful when you are choosing the size. It should not overlap the cake size. So accordingly, you choose your size of the characters, because it should not be too big or it cannot be too small either. So you have to have the correct shape. Now paste the sheets in the cardboard boxes to make it stand still. See, it looks like this. So once it dry down, we'll go for the next step. The next step is cut the shapes. What you're going to do is you're going to cut the shapes now. So for this, you can use a small scissors. That will be very good for this purpose, because it can go quite precise into the cuttings. And try to make the cuttings precise as possible to look nice. As I said, a small scissors will help you in this part. So what happens is when you stick the sheet into the cardboard, it will stand still. If you're going to use the paper directly, it will fall off and it will not stand properly. So for that, we are using the cardboard. So all things, you can get this mostly in any kind of sari, like inside saris, cake boxes. So you can get it easily and it is readily available. You do not pay much for this. It should be slightly soft, so that the cutting will be very easy, not too thick, and it will be very difficult for you to cut the shapes. So you should keep that in mind. Now similarly do all the characters. It's quite time consuming, but hardly it will take half an hour to 1 hour to do this, but you'll get a very good cake toppers like how you wish. You can use not only characters, you can also have happy birthday, any wordings also you can use it. So according to your preferences, you can do your cake toppers at home. Even bamboo sticks are readily available. Next, fix the cutouts in the sticks. Now you have to fix these characters into the sticks. Now this you can use toothpick also, but what the problem here is the toothpick is very small. What happens is when you stick that, you cannot insert the stick into the cake. So for which I've used this skewer stick. It is available in online. I bought from Amazon, and this is hardly around 70 rupees or 60 rupees for 70 pieces, I guess. It's going to be hardly 1 rupee per piece. So what you're going to invest is just hardly 50 rupees, but you can make it according, you can take off your choice and you can do it. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to stick the character into the stick using a glue gun. So why I'm using a glue gun here is it will stick firmly and very quickly. So always own a glue gun. That is very best when you're doing any kind of crafts or any kind of sticking. So use a glue gun for this, so that there will not be any disturbances, unlike using a glue. So that's it, guys. So you're just fixing this and let it dry, and the cake topper is absolutely ready. And keep the stick big. One tip I would like to say, because according to the shapes, according to the sizes, you can cut it later on when you're inserting in the cake. So it's very easy to make and very fun to make, and it is very cheap as well when compared to the store-bought one. So that's it, guys. I hope you liked it. So please give me a good fat thumbs up. For next video, I'll be recreating makeup of one of my favorite YouTuber. So stay tuned for more. Thank you. Bye.